when it comes to creating the perfect egg oblate, getting started is half the battle. Imagine making a delightful egg-shaped dish without any fancy tricks, just pure simplicity and flavor. And now, isn't that something you wouldn't want to miss? First off, your pain points, inconsistent textures, and bland flavors. No one wants runny yolks when you're aiming for that perfect oblate. Um, but fear not, I've got the right hack to make sure every bite is satisfying every time. Start by meticulously selecting fresh eggs, which should ideally be at room temperature. Uh, Fresher eggs means firmer whites, leading to a more robust and reliable shape. Plus, the yolk will have that vibrant color that yells, "Eat me." Next, using the right pan is crucial. Opt for a nonstick pan and use medium heat. Too high, you risk burned edges. Too low, and you'll wait forever. I know many have fallen victim to this. Save yourself and heed this advice. Pro tip: before you even crack open that egg, grease the pan with a smidgen of butter. Why butter? It adds a rich, creamy flavor that complements the taste of the eggs without overshadowing them. This is non-negotiable for a perfect coating. Now for the star moment, cracking the eggs. Gently crack them into a bowl first. This ensures no shell bits dare ruin your otherwise smooth oblate. Uh, um, we've all had that crunchy bite no one enjoys. Early prevention is key. Whisk those eggs until the yolks and whites are completely integrated. Uh, I don't underestimate the power of a thorough whisking. Aim for a nice pale yellow mixture. Uh, this will give you a consistent base to work with. Heat your buttered pan, and once it's warm, pour in your egg mixture. Keep your eye on it. As soon as the edges start to set, you can nudge them delicately to create fluffy layers. Don't let it get away from you or stick to the pan. As it begins to resemble a cloud of golden goodness, you'll want to gently turn the egg with a spatula to cook evenly. This is where many might panic, but maintaining a patient, steady hand will yield a perfect oblate. Once fully cooked to your desire, slide the lovely egg oblate onto a plate. It's crucial at this point to season it lightly with a pinch of salt and pepper. It enhances the flavor with minimal effort. Sometimes less is more. Pair your creation with a side of lightly toasted bread or a fresh salad. Not only does this fulfill the visual appeal, but it also balances nutrition. You're not just cooking, you're creating a feast for the senses. And finally, bask in your culinary genius. You've turned eggs into an edible masterpiece with stunning simplicity. Share this with family or enjoy it solo. Either way, you've conquered the egg oblate painlessly and deliciously.